Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download OneNote for Windows 7, 8, or 8.1. OneNote is Microsoft's digital note-taking app that lets you organize everything from meeting notes to project ideas in one convenient place. So let's walk through the download process step by step. First, you need to open a new browser window on your computer. Once it's open, type in Microsoft.com in the address bar and press Enter. This is the official Microsoft website where you can securely download and purchase all Microsoft subscription services and products. It's important to always download from the official source to ensure you're getting legitimate software without any security risks. When you arrive at the Microsoft homepage, take a look at the top navigation menu. You'll see several options displayed there. Click on the one labeled Office. This will take you to the Office Products page where Microsoft showcases its productivity suite. Once you're on this page, scroll down slowly until you spot a link that says See More Apps. Go ahead and click on that link. This action will reveal a comprehensive list of all available Microsoft applications and services. You'll now find yourself on the Apps and Services directory page. Here, Microsoft has organized all its products in an easy-to-browse format. Look through the list carefully until you locate OneNote. When you find it, click on it, and this will redirect you to the Microsoft OneNote overview page. This page contains detailed information about OneNote's features, capabilities, and subscription options. From the OneNote overview page, look for a tab labeled Pricing and click on it. This section displays all the available subscription plans and their corresponding prices. Take a moment to review the different options and choose the subscription plan that best fits your needs and budget. Once you've made your selection, click on the Buy Now button next to your chosen plan. After clicking Buy Now, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account first before proceeding. Enter your login credentials carefully and sign in. Once you're successfully logged in, the download process for OneNote will begin automatically. Keep in mind that you'll need to complete the payment for your selected subscription before you can start using OneNote. The software will begin downloading to your computer, and depending on your internet connection speed, this might take a few minutes. And there you have it. You've successfully started the download process for OneNote on your Windows system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.